Here I will introduce how to remove Pipettor component. First, we need to unplug two black signal cable. Disconnect one lightning pipeline and remove two fixed screws. Please prepare one thing that can catch the flowing water in here. Next, loosen two fixed screws. Now we can take Pipettor component out. Please be careful and gently take it out. Here is Pipettor system. This motor controls sample arm horizontal movement. This motor controls sample arm vertical movement. Here are two sensors cables. And these two cables connect with motors. This is sample arm horizontal initial sensor. During initialization, when sample arm brought this sensor, it will start moving and finish horizontal initialization. This sensor is sample arm vertical initial sensor. During initialization, when sample arm brought this sensor, it will start moving and finish vertical initialization. Next, I will introduce how to replace sample needle. Directly remove this white cover. This yellow cable function is transmitting liquid level detection signal. First step, remove one metal block slice, which connects with machine ground. Second step, disconnect lightning pipeline. Unplug this cable, which gives sample needle a high level voltage. Now all the fix in this side has been removed. Only left one fix, ring buckle. It's easy to remove it by tweezers. This is the ring buckle. Now we can take needle out, but be careful one inside the spring. Here, we need to remove the white cylinder from needle first. Then, we begin to install new needle. Now begin to install a new one. Install the white cylinder, only need to tighten one screw. Fix this needle into sample arm. The following is spring and white ring. Use a slotted screwdriver to push white ring inside around 5 mm. Then put a ring buckle in. I suggest you use tweezers. Use a needle nose pliers to push inside until you hear one click. Now, almost the finish, only left connecting things. Fix metal block slice and ground cable. Connect one cable. One lightning pipeline. Okay, now we finish replacing sample needle.